Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you're watching my video. So today I'm talking about three basic things, and this brings me to ask the question, how old were you when? So the first one is the basic eraser, ones that have two sides. We had the pink and orange and the blue side, this one here. So growing up, we knew that the blue part is actually for rubbing ink writings, yeah, as opposed to the other one that we do with the pencil. But how old were you when you came to know that that is actually a myth, and the reason as to why they have two colors is because traditionally there were two grades of paper. We still do have them, and the rough gritted part, which is blue, was used to rub stuff that was written on the soft kind of paper, because if you use the other one, then it will actually rip the paper off, and it's not really what you have known about. So your childhood was a lie. Number two, we're looking at paper margins. You know what a paper margin is? The red lines on each and every exercise book, if I can say. So what is the reason? Like, why do we have paper margins? Probably you may be thinking that the reason as why we have paper margins is to keep our work organized or something like that. But the truth is, traditionally, people had, or rather they stayed with rodents in their house. Nowadays we have very many ways of keeping them away, so of course we're safe. But traditionally, rodents lived in the houses, and normally they would nibble on the sides of the paper. And so if you've written from the section, is it before or after the margin? Before the margin, then it means that your work has a prevalence of being eaten or nibbled on, yeah, by the rodents. And so paper margins were just introduced for the sake of keeping your written work away from being destroyed by rodents, because they'll eat the other parts, but your content will be safe. Number three, we are looking at buttons. We know that mostly we have buttons that are positioned or placed on the, which side is this? Left. So why or how did the right positioning or the right placement of buttons happen? So we're told that traditionally both men and women had blouses, shirts, whatever, that had buttons on the left. But now we had women who could afford to have helps, who could afford maids, whatever you want to call them, and the placement of the buttons on the right was just to help those who are helping them to like making it easier for them to do the buttoning. And it's not really a matter of males or females as we know it today. So I'll be back to tell you why paper margins, the red one, has to be darker than the striped ones where you write on. So until next time, it's bye for now.